5 ways to unlock the benefits of rosemary. Hello everyone, and welcome! Today, we're diving into the incredible world of herbs and exploring the healing power of rosemary. If you're looking to enhance your well-being, stay tuned for 5 amazing ways to incorporate this aromatic herb into your life. First up, let's talk about aromatherapy. The scent of rosemary has been linked to improved mood and reduced stress. You can simply diffuse rosemary essential oil in your home or add a few drops to a hot bath for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Moving on to our second point, culinary delights. Rosemary isn't just a culinary herb, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Add fresh rosemary to your dishes for a burst of flavor and a dose of antioxidants. You can use it in salads, soups, or infuse it into oils for a delicious twist. Now, let's explore the soothing benefits of rosemary tea. Steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water creates a fragrant herbal tea that can aid digestion, boost immunity, and even alleviate headaches. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate rosemary into your daily routine. Our fourth point revolves around DIY skincare. Rosemary has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to homemade skincare products. Try making a DIY rosemary-infused oil or a soothing face mask to promote clear and radiant skin. Last but not least, let's indulge in the healing power of a rosemary-infused bath ritual. Add fresh rosemary sprigs or a few drops of rosemary essential oil to your bath water for a therapeutic experience. This can help soothe muscle tension, ease stress, and leave you feeling refreshed. There you have it, 5 wonderful ways to incorporate the healing power of rosemary into your life. Whether it's through aromatherapy, culinary adventures, herbal teas, DIY skincare, or a relaxing bath ritual, rosemary has something to offer for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Until next time, take care and embrace the natural wonders around you. Bye for now!